Hello students, come back to the same chapter. Here a regular polygon has interior angles that are 5 times larger than each of its exterior angle. A regular polygon, it is having interior angles 5 times larger than exterior angle. How many sides? They didn't say the name of the figure and how many sides are there. Only the clue is given interior and exterior. So you can assume the exterior angle is x and the interior angle is 5 times larger, they are saying, so you can use 5x. And our first rule is interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So you can use x and 5x is 180 degree, so that you will find out what is x. X means exterior. Once you find exterior angle, you can easily find out sides. So that find exterior, then you can find sides. Next diagram, calculate the angle x. It is an irregular shape. By seeing the diagram itself, we can say this is 160, 115, unequal. And this is says 90 and 90. And it is 5 side, that we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides in the figure. So the angles, whatever it's given, all the angles are interior angles. So add all the interior angles and equate to the formula is n minus 2 times 180 degree. So the formula is sum of all interior angle is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degree. Add up everything and replace n by 5 because you have 5 sides here, which is 5 minus 2 times 180 gives you 3 times 180 equal to 540. So whatever the angle is given, add up and take away from 540 to get x value. In the next image, the same concept. This says 90 degree and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, and we can use the same formula, sum of interior. Sum of all the interior angle equal to n minus 2 times 180 degree. You can replace n by 6 here. You will get the answer. And then add up everything. Take away from whatever the answer you are getting here, so that you will come to know what is y. And the next image says ABC